help me. Help me out of this cup. Okay, that's a bit silly, come on. Ice cream lovers, we do have a little bit of jocularity while we're filming here. Look, the studio audience is in stitches of laughter. Insert laugh track. Anyway, Steve Christensen's my name, the Ice Cream Bloke, self-appointed headmaster of Scoop School, best-selling author. Why don't we throw a link down to Hopeless to Hero down below. How to hire, train, and motivate super employees. #1 new release on Amazon. It's a great book. It'll be down there. You know what else is down there? The link to our episode sponsor, Classic Mix Partners. It's down there as well. Ted, Hank, you've got the whole Galloway family up there making the best quality mix for you. Based in the Midwest, they ship all over the place. They got custard mixes, they got soft serve mixes, they got premium mixes, they got gelato mixes. They've got it all. Classic Mix Partners, the link is down below. Thank you for your episode sponsorship. Ice cream lovers, we're going to walk over to the case here. I see this all the time when I go to an ice cream shop and I see employees mashing ice cream into the bucket when they scoop. We're going to pop down here and get one of our favorites. We'll get a biscotti. A little bit of a sneak peek. Blink, blink. No. Anyway. We're going to pull this up here, bring it over to the table. And I'm going to show you what I mean. I'm just going to get myself my dipper well. Scoop out of the dipper well. Tap all that water off it. We're back over here. Now, there's a process here to make sure that you're serving your customers the best possible product that you've got. And I often see employees when they are scooping, they roll and they continue to roll it and they'll kind of push it down and roll it again and maybe one more time to get the perfect ball, and then they'll take that and push it into the cup. Now the issue is here, hey, eyes up here. The issue is here is that you're pushing overrun or air out of the product. And again, this goes back to a previous video that we just filmed about how soft or how firm the product is in there. But I get really concerned when I see employees really mashing that down. I know you want to get a nice round ball, but the idea is, hey, eyes down here. The idea is that you just want to basically scoop and roll so that you're not mashing down. You're leaving the integrity of the overrun and the structure of that ice cream with the same results. So you'll find that if those scoops were exactly the same in size, the one on the bottom would be heavier because we kind of rolled and pushed it in on itself. And I think you know what I'm talking about, and you've probably seen this before too, either in your store or in other ice cream shops, this kind of pushing, rolling, it can be a problem. Now, short term, no, but if you're pushing even 5% overrun, or volume out of that scoop, you're taking 5% off your bottom line, which can be a bit of a challenge. So interested in the way that you scoop, we do want to make sure that you're not overly pushing that in. Don't push the air out of it. Nice round scoop, nice and easy. Make sure the pliability of the ice cream is there. Make sure your scoops are newly moistened. Get that out as cleanly and as unmashed, if that's a word, as you can. Leave a comment down below. I'm interested in your experiences, how you train your people. While you're down there, have a look at Classic Mix Partners. The link's right down there. We love their episode sponsorship, as with all of our sponsors. If you've got a problem, question, also leave it down. There's a lot happening down there. You should spend a bit of time down there. Anyway, that's all we have for today. Keep on scooping. Keep on scooping gently. We'll see you in the next video.